Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write trigonometric ratios. Writing trig ratios is always dependent on the reference angle, and looking at the example given, we have to state the following in terms of G, K, and M. The first example, we have sine K. What that means is a reference angle is the angle at K. Tagging the sides of a right angle triangle, the side facing the reference angle, as shown, which is K, will be our opposite. I'm going to tag that as opposite. The longest side, or the side facing a right angle, is a hypotenuse. I'm tagging that as hypotenuse. And the last side, every triangle has three sides, will be our adjacent. So after tagging all the sides of the right angle triangle, we're going to use the acronym SOHCAHTOA as shown, which means a sine theta, or the sine of the reference angle, equals OH, that means opposite, over hypotenuse, cos of the reference angle equals AH. What that means is we have our adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and the tan of the reference angle equals OA, and what that means is opposite over adjacent. So looking at the first example, we have sine K. K is a reference angle, and we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we have that as opposite over hypotenuse, and opposite in this case is K over the hypotenuse M, as shown in the diagram. Let's look at cos K. To write the trig ratio for cos K, we have cos being adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent in this case, we have adjacent over hypotenuse, and that's our G over hypotenuse is our M. For tan K is opposite over adjacent. Opposite in this case is K over adjacent, which is G. Once you're done tagging your triangle, it makes it easier to write the trig ratios. The second set of example, our reference angle is now G, and I'm going to tag that. And because our reference angle has changed, the sides, the labeling of the sides also changes. Starting with the side facing the reference angle, that's our opposite. I'm going to take that out. The longest side, that's the only side that remains constant, and that's the side facing our right angle. That's the hypotenuse. And the last side is always our adjacent. Like I said, a triangle has three sides. After labeling, we go to our trig ratios. We have sine of G. Sine is opposite of our hypotenuse, as shown in our acronym SOHCAHTOA. And what that gives us now, our opposite is G over hypotenuse M. Like I said, the hypotenuse remains constant. Goes to our cos G. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent in this case is K over M. And the last trig ratio, tan G, opposite over adjacent. Opposite is a G over adjacent K. Thanks for watching. Bye.